Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. This one is already plugged in, so from there connect it. There we go. As you can see, it's charging. Now on the computer side it's not really giving me any pop-up, but it doesn't really matter. So anyway, once it's connected to your computer, you will want to turn it off. So let's select the power button right here, choose power off. And once you select the power off and the phone turns off, you want to start holding power key and volume down. Now I will recommend holding it earlier rather than later, just because if you start holding it too late, it will need to go through like some animation of charging and all that stuff. So it would waste a little bit of time. So there we go, vibration, it powered off, and immediately after you feel that vibration, you can start holding your power key and the volume up. Now there is a chance that if you hold it too quick, it won't boot into it, but in this case, if you don't see it booting into anything like it is right now, then you just let go of those two power keys just momentarily and start holding them again, and hopefully it should take you to this screen right over here. So once you're in recovery mode, you will need to use the volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down, and up will navigate up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, we have a couple options here. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which takes us either to download mode or fast boot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off the device, and also repair apps. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, you will then confirm with power key. Because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with the first option, reboot system now, which will take me back to Android. Now, for some stupid reason, we get this pop-up right here when the phone is plugged in to our computer, letting us know to unplug it. Stop. There we go. No idea why that is, I think, but anyway. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.